Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be solving this question. To solve for x given that x to the power 4 is equals to this. Okay, you might will just try to simplify this one by doing x minus 1, by doing like x minus 1 times x minus 1 cube or x minus 1 square times x minus 1 square and trying to expand and do that. That will give you the answer, but that will take you a lot of time to solve it. Let me show you a strategic method to solve it. What we want to do is we're going to bring this one on this other side, so I should have like a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4, and this one can be expressed as what? A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 can be like a square all that square minus b square all that square. You know that, and you can take this as x square minus y square, saying that x is equals to a square and y is equals to b square. You see b, and from here that x square minus y square is x minus y times x plus y from basic algebra. Yeah, so I should have this. Hence, from this point, we are going to have what? A square minus b square and a square plus b square. You see, and at the end, we are going to simplify further to have what? And now a square minus b square, we can have it, and a square plus b square, you see, we are going to have something like this at the end and further simplify. Then apply it here and solve. Okay, having this, hence you can bring everything here to have x minus 4 minus x minus 1 all that to the power 4 is equals to 0. Okay, taking it as square as we said earlier, we are going to have x square all that square minus x minus 1 all that square equals to 0. Okay, you know that a square minus b square is equals to what? A, that is x square minus x minus 1 square x square plus x minus 1 square equals to 0. That is what we're going to be having from a square a minus b. Okay, that is what we're going to be having. Hence, from this point, we can further simplify this one. Okay, hence we're going to have x square minus 1 all that square, that will be x square x minus 1 square x square minus 2x plus 1. That's what we're going to be having. Okay, applying here, we are going to have x square. If this negative, we are going to have plus 2x minus 1. Okay, that's what we're going to be having, x square plus 2x minus 1 at this point. And here also, we are going to have x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1. Okay, hope you are seeing what is happening. Is equals to 0. Automatically, this and this will cancel. We are going to have 2x minus 1 here, and here you are going to have what? 2x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. And you know what, at this point it's just like factorizing, hence we can say 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, since all is equals to 0. Hence we can just say that since 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, 2x is equals to 1, which implies x is equals to half. Okay, that is 1 on 2. And if it was with half here, half to the power 4 is the same thing as what? Half minus 1 to the power 4, because half minus 1 is equals to minus half. And minus 1 half to the power 4 is the same thing as half to the power 4. That will be square, and negative 1 square is equals to 1. Okay, hence half is the answer. You can solve for the other values of x from here. That is 2x square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. We can use the quadratic principle to solve for x here. We're using the quadratic principle to solve for x. We're going to use, that is x is equals to negative b plus minus b square 4ac square root of that over 2a. Hence we're going to have what? Negative b, that is x, is equals to, what's our negative b? That is 2 plus minus 2 squared, that is 4 minus 4 into that into 1 square root of this all over 2 into a, that is 2. Then we're going to have 2 plus minus square root of you have 4, okay, minus 4 times 2, that is 8. That will be equals to negative 4. You have negative 4 all over 4. That will be equals to 2 plus minus. You know that square root of negative 1 is equals to I. That will be, and negative 4 is equals to negative 1 times 4. That will be the square root of this. Hence, we are going to have what? 2 root of negative 1, and root of negative 1 is equals to what? I. Because we can just express this as what? Root negative 1 root 4. That will be equals to what? I for 2I, or I root 4, that will be 2I all over 4. Hence x is equals to what? 1 plus minus I all over 2. And now the other values of x, this is 1 and this is the other one. If you substitute this one in here, you're automatically going to have the same answer, because this other square will be equivalent to this, because there will just be a negative coming in this minus. This is equivalent to also have like that, a half somehow. There will be just the negative minus 1 will be negative, and the power 4 will have the same thing, and we come to